Hi guys, this is Jae with Inspired Designs with Jae, and in today's video I will be doing a haul of all the things that I've purchased for my tablescapes that are coming up that I'm participating in. And if you'd like to see what I purchased, please stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you already subscribed, thank you so much for supporting me and watching my videos. I have a lot of things that I want to show you today, so I won't hold you up by talking, and let's get into seeing what I have. So, this first item I got from the DAV Thrift Store, which is Disabled Veterans Thrift Store, and these were half off. And they are, they're taped together, so I don't feel like untaping them right now. These beautiful pink and rose green flower, so fitting for spring. Just absolutely stunning, gorgeous. They were $12.98 and half off for all 8 plates. And they are such good quality stoneware. They're extremely heavy. I'm struggling just trying to keep them up, but I thought they were so pretty for an upcoming collaboration that I'm participating in, and I think these are just absolutely stunning. And again, I got them from the Disabled Veterans Thrift Store. So I'm going to put that down and move on to the next item. And the next items are these beautiful rose-colored, pink-colored glasses. They're also for a part of this tablescape that I'm going to be doing. These were $2.99. They were not half off, but these are also heavy, thick glasses, and stay tuned for that video that I will be showing you here soon with that tablescape. And did I say I got 6 of these? So, all right. And then the next item are these bowls. I hope this comes out, whatever this white is on these bowls. I got them to go along with the tablescape that I'm going to be doing, this rose colored. These were $6.99 for 4. Again, also at the Disabled Veterans Thrift Store. And they're really pretty. They have this flower motif, which is very fitting for these plates, the plates that I got. This wasn't a match set. It was all individuals that I kind of picked up and put together. I saw the glasses first, then the plates, and then these bowls. I'm hoping once I wash these up and get them set that they will be stunning. So stay tuned again for that particular tablescape video. All right, let's keep moving along with the Disabled Veterans. It's another tablescape that I'm going to be doing. these were stunning. I love gold, and these were 4. They're extremely heavy just for these 4, and that's how they look here. And these are $8.99, and then these were half off. So I was excited to get these. The tablescape that I'm going to be doing with these, oh my God, is going to be so beautiful. So please stay tuned for that as well. But these are very, very heavy stoneware plates. And again, I got them half off at the Disabled Veterans Thrift Store. Okay. I think that concludes my Disabled Veterans Thrift Store haul. So the next one, Dollar Tree. I don't know if you guys ever use this. This is the fresh linen oil from Dollar Tree. I just love the smell of this when I'm burning the oil from this in a tea light warmer. This smells so amazing. And again, they're $1 from the Dollar Tree, and I got 3 of them. Okay. 2, 3, and of course my favorite cleaning product, Awesome. So I'm going to get my glasses here because your girl can't see. And on here, I want to know if it takes care of the beer virus. The beer flu. Get you some. Okay. I think the next Dollar Tree items are these beautiful napkins. I thought they were pretty. And this is the matching plate. And then I also picked up this plate here. Thought this was very nice. Along with this. You guys probably know which tablescape I'm going to be doing by showing you these items. So, I am... And picked up these. Everybody's seen these. If they turn off water, at least I have some utensils I can use and throw away. Dollar Tree. Get you some. And I thought this was beautiful. You guys know I love grays, creams, golds, blacks. Those are my colors, and whites are in my home. So this says home is where our family gathers. So that is really, really pretty, I think. And then I picked up the matching oven mitt for that. Again, $1 at the Dollar Tree. And just some more matching oven mitts as well, smaller ones. So I picked that up. And I got these napkins again, Dollar Tree, for that tablescape. When I saw these, I thought I was going to just be over the moon with these. I don't think I've ever seen them on other people's tablescapes, but I thought this was simply gorgeous. They're placemats. I picked up 4, and I think they'll be, this side is fitting with this. And if I can pick them up, they're so heavy that this and this was so pretty together to me because of the darker colors in the lemons. Or if I just want to use the other side, I think this is very pretty as well. But I picked this up because of the other shades as well that's in the lemons, to kind of tone it down so it's not screaming at me, you know, bright yellow, even though I love yellow. Just to tone it down some. These plates, I think, is very fitting with these napkins. Placemats. I'm sorry, placemats. So those are very, 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 very pretty. And that's going with that. Let me get these out of the way so they're not stepped on. What else did I pick up? Oh, I thought these were just adorable little Peter Cottontail. I don't know the words. So, and these little bunny plates. These were actually picked up at JoAnn's. So, this little set is also for tablescape as well. And this sign, which I picked up from Dollar Tree as well, I thought this is cute for, it's a another collab that I'll be doing as well, and I thought this was a cute sign. The kitchen is the heart of the home. Thought this was very, very fitting for the I think it's a coffee or bar station challenge, beverage station challenge, or kitchen vignette. I think that's what it is. Yeah, it's the kitchen vignette. So this is super exciting. I thought it was very, very, very pretty. So I am using that, and then I picked up this beautiful little sign also from the Dollar Tree that I'll be using in that vignette as well. I think these two pieces would be really, really cute in the vignette. So I will, and guys, I am out of my comfort zone using these pinks and whatnot, because I am a cream, black, and gold person in my home, very neutral, very, these colors, you know, YouTube has got me out of my comfort zone. So stay tuned for that. Okay. Alright, let's see what else we got in these bags over here. I got a few more bags, guys. I'm not going to go to that one just yet. Let's go to this one. I don't even remember what this is. Oh, not yet. Not that one yet. Not that one yet. Not that one yet. Okay. So, there's a set of 4. I won't open all of them. Just one. I got these from the Dollar Tree. These. And they will also go with this and the tablescape. And when you see it put together, I think it will be just stunning together. Yeah. And also with those previous plates that I showed you as well. It'll look good with those. Okay, and these are some other things. I'm saving the best for last, but I got these napkins still in my lap because I wanted you to, placemats, I keep calling them napkins. This is also for a tablescape. I love those. Thought those were just really pretty. And I picked up some earbuds, some cold and flu, Dollar Tree. I needed some sticky notes. I needed some Correct All hair bun. I'm going to be so busy that your girl will not be able to do her hair in the next like 30 to 90 days. So the top bun is going to be real life for the next 30 to 90 days. So forgive me, or the back bun, side bun is going to be, we bunning it. Messy bun, don't care. Life for the next 30 to 90 days because I'll be so busy. And got to keep them hands moisturized with all this hand washing we got to do for the beer flu. So, some more earbuds because I tend to lose these things or leave them somewhere or whatever.